Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the paper in your SumUp Solo printer. So if you have a printer for your SumUp Solo card reader, it's going to come with some paper, and once you're out of it, what you can do is just take this back cover off by just pressing on the bottom like this, and it should pop off. And then you can just take out the paper that's left, or if there isn't any, you can just take a new roll, for example. Let's say this is a new roll, and then just place it right here on this icon, just the same way like it says, with the paper pointing towards our reader, like that. Then you can just stretch it out a little, place it on this little notch right here, and just close it up until it clicks. And now it works. Now you have some new paper in your SumUp Solo and you're done. That's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.